Welcome to the VH&F channel. Imagine a diet that could revolutionize your health, boost your energy, and even help save the planet. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore the incredible world of plant-based eating. A plant-based diet, which emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, while minimizing or eliminating animal products, offers numerous health benefits including improved heart health, easier weight management, and reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and certain cancers. Adopting a plant-based diet can significantly improve cardiovascular health by lowering LDL cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. This eating pattern is typically lower in saturated fats and cholesterol, which are commonly found in animal products. Additionally, plant-based diets are associated with easier weight management, as they tend to be lower in calories and higher in fiber. Research indicates that individuals following such diets often have lower body mass indexes and are less likely to be obese, contributing to overall better health outcomes. Now let's talk about mental health. Plant-based diets have been associated with potential mental health benefits, though research findings are mixed. Some studies have found that individuals following plant-based diets report lower levels of stress, anxiety, and depression compared to omnivores. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in plant foods may help reduce inflammation in brain cells and regulate neurotransmitters, potentially improving mood. However, it's important to note that an unhealthy plant-based diet high in processed foods has been linked to increased risk of depression and anxiety. To optimize mental health benefits, experts recommend focusing on whole, unprocessed plant foods rich in nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, tryptophan, and B vitamins, which can support protein synthesis and boost mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. But that's not all. Plant-based diets have been associated with improved mood and increased energy levels. Studies have shown that individuals following plant-based diets report less tension, anxiety, depression, anger, and fatigue compared to those consuming omnivorous diets. The high intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in plant-based diets provides a rich source of complex carbohydrates, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Additionally, the abundance of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in plant foods may contribute to better mental well-being by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. However, it's important to note that the quality of the plant-based diet matters, as higher consumption of whole, unprocessed plant foods is associated with greater mood benefits compared to diets high in processed plant-based products. Let's not forget about our cognitive function. Plant-based diets have been associated with improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adhering to a healthy plant-based diet for 3 years was linked to a 30% lower risk of cognitive impairment. The consumption of specific plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and tea, has been shown to enhance cognitive performance. These cognitive benefits may be attributed to the high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in plant-based foods, which help combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Additionally, research suggests that plant-based diets may particularly improve executive function, which could underlie improvements in both executive tasks and memory recall. When it comes to chronic disease prevention, adopting a plant-based diet can significantly reduce the risk of several chronic diseases. Studies have shown that this eating pattern is associated with a lower incidence of type 2 diabetes, with research indicating a potential 23% reduction in risk. The high fiber content and abundance of antioxidants in plant-based foods help regulate blood sugar levels and combat inflammation. Additionally, certain types of cancer, particularly colon and prostate cancer, have been found to occur less frequently in those following plant-based diets. The nutrient-dense nature of these diets, rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, contributes to overall health and may even increase longevity. For all you fitness enthusiasts out there, listen up. Plant-based diets have been shown to increase physical stamina and endurance in athletes and active individuals. A study found that recreational runners were able to shave 6% off their 5K run times just 4 days after switching to a plant-based diet, likely due to the anti-inflammatory nature of antioxidant-rich plant foods. The high carbohydrate content of plant-based diets provides optimal fuel for muscles during intense exercise, while the abundance of nitrate-rich vegetables like beets can make muscles more efficient and help preserve limited fuel supplies. Additionally, plant-based diets have been associated with decreased risk of joint pain and improved recovery times between workouts, allowing for sustained physical performance. The reduced inflammation and improved blood flow resulting from plant-based eating may contribute to these endurance benefits, enabling athletes to train harder and recover faster. Let's not forget about our digestive and kidney health. High fiber intake from plant-based foods promotes digestive health by encouraging regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This dietary approach can also reduce the risk of developing diverticulitis and other gastrointestinal disorders. Additionally, replacing animal proteins with plant proteins has been shown to benefit kidney function, lowering the risk of chronic kidney disease and improving kidney health in individuals with existing issues. The anti-inflammatory properties of plant-based diets may further contribute to overall digestive and renal well-being. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Plant-based diets have shown promising effects in reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Studies indicate that adherence to a healthy plant-based diet is associated with lower risks of these mental health conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of plant foods, particularly those rich in polyphenols like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, may help reduce oxidative stress in the body and brain, potentially improving mood. However, it's crucial to note that the quality of the plant-based diet matters significantly. While healthy plant-based diets can be beneficial, unhealthy plant-based diets high in processed foods have been linked to increased risks of depression and anxiety. To optimize mental health benefits, experts recommend focusing on whole, unprocessed plant foods that provide essential nutrients supporting brain health and mood regulation. Lastly, let's talk about the bigger picture. Adopting a plant-based diet can significantly reduce one's environmental footprint, as plant foods generally require fewer resources to produce and generate lower greenhouse gas emissions compared to animal products. This makes plant-based diets more sustainable and environmentally friendly. However, it's crucial to plan these diets carefully to ensure all nutritional needs are met. Some nutrients, such as vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, may require special attention and potentially supplementation. Fortified foods and a diverse range of plant sources can help address these potential deficiencies, with options like fortified plant milks, nutritional yeast, and seeds providing essential nutrients. And there you have it, folks. The incredible world of plant-based eating. Whether you're looking to improve your health, boost your energy, or do your part for the planet, a plant-based diet might just be the answer. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. So why not start by adding a few more plant-based meals to your week? Your body and the planet will thank you. Stay tuned to the V, H, and F channel for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life.